Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. University Park local and long-distance movers near me. It's difficult enough to move across the street. Imagine moving miles away with all your possessions. We at 3 Movers take full responsibility for all your goods and ensure timely delivery. Our experienced staff knows the routes of University Park, so you don't have to worry about your belongings getting damaged. We offer free quotes and honest pricing that is hard to beat all over University Park. Your worldly items will be carried away safely wherever you want. Even if you wish to move abroad, we assure you that all your possessions will be moved safely and on time. Are you moving to a nearby area? Packing everything from delicate cutleries to your sofa and dining table is not a single person's job. There is a high risk of your goods getting broken while you are shifting. You require professionals to handle this job for you. Leave it to 3 Movers, and we will make sure that all your items reach your new abode safely. All our team members are licensed and are well-versed with the routes of University Park. We will complete your whole shifting process in 1 day. In case any item gets damaged, we will compensate it immediately. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our University Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.